Hello everyone, this is Kenny T. I just want to let you guys know that I'm about to upgrade my K&M Spyder here, as you can tell. About to upgrade the muffler, the exhaust, which is right here. That blue piece right here. All the way there, up under there. It's just a one-piece installation, slip on, pull out the old one off, and put this one on there. A bolt, and I think 2 springs or something like that. Now this piece here, this exhaust here, this came all the way from Italy, worldwide, from DHL delivered it. I mean, it came straight from Italy. So I don't know how it really sound in person, but they sound okay on line when I'm watching other videos of them. They're not that expensive. They're like close to 400 or something like that with everything. Because you have other exhausters that was like 1,200 and 1,400, 900, 800. I was like, oh no. So I found this one here, the cheapest one I could find with a good, sound. I don't want it too loud on there, where it drowns out the music or a horn if it's blowing at me or something like that. So let's see what it looks like, and I'm gonna try and install it if it has any directions in here to install it. Today I'm gonna try and install it, and I'll let you guys know how it look and how it sound. Once it's completed, okay? So let's see how it looks. Well, I might as well open it while we're here, right? Let me show you. Work with one hand, so, oh, there we go. There we go. I can slip this off. Try to get away with it. There we go. This to the side here. Cut this up. Make sure they seal this tight. 2 feet, 1 feet there, 1 feet there, right? There we go. What the? It's like the clamps that come with it. The tighteners, fasteners. The bolts. Right here, the bolts. Shit, that right there. Must be an existing part of the exhaust here, the extension. Looks like quality made so far. Looks pretty good. And as you can tell, it says here something about Modelo Spyder 1000 RS ST. 2013, 2016, 1/28/21. Spyder 1000 RS. Hope this fits my bike. It says an RS and an ST. I have an RT. So let's hope they're wrong now. Have to send it back. Oop, I guess that's all going. And Here we go here. There's the biggie right here. Dun, 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 dun. Let me see. That's how it looks. Let me take it out the package, right? Let's take it out the package. Let's go all the way out. Now here we go. Now this is the back end here, and that's the back end. You can see in there. Hello, hello, hello. Okay. And it will go this, it will turn it this way here. It looks more like the box there. So it will go on like this. Oh, there go the sticker there. I see a sticker, right? Okay. GPR. Exhaust. So let me take the sticker off of here. Out of here. Oh, there we go. Well, I thought it was a sticker. So, just hanging like a new pair of shoes. It says on here it's Italian handmade product. So they handmade this in Italy. I can't wait to hear how it sounds. Right here, I'm assuming this is where the clips go at here. This piece here, and I'm pointing at to hold it on. And they got another one right here at the top here where that red rope is at. So far it looks pretty good. Let me try to put this sucker on. So you guys hold for the next video. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I have to read the directions. I'm hoping it just fit, first of all. It'll be something if it don't fit. If it don't fit, I'll let you guys know it didn't fit and I have to send it back through somebody. Appreciate you watching the video. Thanks. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And you guys have a wonderful, blessed day. Take care. Bye.